Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to create an installation medium and install a fresh copy of Windows on your Lenovo laptop. So the first step is to actually get a thumb drive that has a minimum of 8 gigabytes so that the installation of the media creation tool will be possible. And to install it, just go to your favorite browser and search for Windows media creation tool and open up the Microsoft website. And here download the Create Windows 11 installation tool, and you can read about it that if you want to clean install of Windows 11, blah blah blah, and to make a bootable USB, and that's what we want because we want to use the thumbstick. And when you download it, okay, so I'm going to download it together with you. You will have to go through a setup of the creation of the medium. I'm going to plug in the USB, but I have it already done, so we won't have to wait. And you'll just have to open up the software and go press next. Don't worry, you will manage. It's not nothing hard. I'm sure you will manage. So okay, so let's disable that. And now the most important part, you have to shut down your PC. So let's do that. And now we have to turn it back on and enter the one-time boot menu or the UEFI/BIOS, whatever, and then there you have to adjust the boot menu, but I will recommend using the one-time boot menu, and I believe it's opened by pressing the F11 button. And if you want to start a BIOS, okay, the PC wasn't shut down, okay, my bad. If you want to enter BIOS, you have to spam the F2 button from what I can remember, and the one-time boot menu is on the F11 on the Lenovo laptops. So let's just wait a second. Okay, let's turn it back on and spam the F11. Okay, so it appears that I was mistaken. It's probably some other key, so we just have to try. Okay, so finally I succeeded. Like I said, this will take some few attempts because everyone makes mistakes, so don't worry. And from the list, just pick your USB drive that you have plugged in with the media creation tool ready, and we should get a Windows installation prompt, and we are going to go for that together. Okay, we are in. Language, this is your preference. Keyboard implemented US. install Windows 11. Okay. Accept. Okay, so these are our partitions. You don't have to really care about that. You can adjust them later using this part. I never adjust my partitions here. I just do it in the disk part later. Just make sure that you have one partition here so you can install Windows on it. Okay, install. And now the waiting begins. As you can see, this might take a while, so we have to wait, unfortunately. Okay, so that took longer than I expected, but we're back. Now we have to go through the setup, which you'll have another video on the channel. As you can see,
Set up your device using a screen reader. Turn on narrator by pressing Windows plus Control.
Okay.
For more accessibility features, press Windows plus U or select the accessibility icon.
Okay, never mind. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.